Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import contacts on the Outlook application. So first of all, and of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Outlook application if you have it on your desktop PC. Of course, if you don't have it, all you need to do, just go and open any browser you are currently using in your PC. Then, once it's opened, go to the URL section and type download Outlook, hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading it. Of course, it will be pretty simple. It will be like any other downloaded application. You must have been already like downloaded something already on your PC. So just do the same with Outlook. So once it's downloaded on your PC, all you need to do, just go and install it and open it. Now, they will actually ask you to log in into your account once you open the application. Just log in into your account, but if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one from their website, or even if you have an option from there of creating your account, go ahead and do that. So once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, we would like to import our contacts from somewhere to our Outlook. So of course, if you want to do that, all you need to do, at the top left corner, you would like to select file. From here, you would like to choose open and export. Here, you'd like to click at import and export. And now you would like to choose import from another program or file and hit the next button. Now you would like to choose next again and make sure to have this comma separated values on. Hit the next button. And now you can browse where or from where you would like to import like your contacts. Maybe you have it on a file, so make sure to click on browse and browse wherever you have your contacts, maybe on your document, I don't know, like look for it. And once you finish, click at open, and then you'd like to hit the next button and finish, and then all your contacts will be imported to your Outlook. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.